Okay, we just met a man who works for a hotel and we did scratch cards. This sounds so ridiculous saying it out loud, but he reckons we've won something, so we're gonna follow him to get our prizes. Maybe it is a cult. It is worldwide.
Yeah.
No.
Could be.
You're doing what?
We're adventuring. Fucking mental.
Full send.
This is what I reckon India would be like.
Yeah, probably worse.
Oh, India would be 10 times worse. The pool's calling.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Drink cocktails.
This is a great way to do some window shopping without everyone shouting. Good clutch control, babe. Your skills are going to be, well, what's the word? You're going to have worked on your skills a lot.
Yeah.
That doesn't look very safe. A lot of holes were in this town.
Oh, I not 20. And she look like 19, brother. Yes, of course. Because today our anniversary celebration, and I give you more information about the hotel. Understand my English, sorry?
Yeah, no, you have good
no,
English.
I'm not good in English. Still practice my English.
I think your English is good.
Good English. Are you stay in Kuta?
Tonight, yeah.
No, I mean,
We came from Mount Batar.
trekking.
We did the mountain, the volcano.
Sunrise.
Yeah.
Oh, this is our hotel, brother.
Huh?
Yeah. This is our hotel. It's a 5-star resort in Bali.
Very nice.
If you have, yeah. Sorry, are you busy now?
Yeah.
We're gonna go check in.
Yeah.
To where?
Our accommodation.
Oh,
And Legion?
you look here. No, so I already booked hotel
Yeah.
because we have discount 20 to 30%.
Oh, we've already booked. Yeah.
Sorry.
Next time.
No, that's why. This is no cost, no obligation.
Yeah.
I don't want to take your time very long. Could you open another one? I put my name. Oh, sorry, brother. Like this, yeah. Who knows if you have time to go to the hotel?
Yeah.
Just to see. We give you the hat with the
Aww,
yeah.
that's so nice. What's in this one?
Yeah. I put my name on it. No problem. Sorry. So congratulations that you are a winner. Ah, sorry, Matthew. This is you not win all.
You win one.
Yeah.
One.
You are guaranteed one of the prize below. Only you have got one of them.
Very nice.
Yeah.
How far away is this?
Sorry, hotel?
Yeah.
Jimbaran.
Where's that?
Yeah. South Kuta take about 15-minute drive from here to get there. Yeah.
Okay. We just met a man who works for a hotel and we did scratch cards. This sounds so ridiculous saying it out loud, but he reckons we've won something, so we're gonna follow.
On the electrical cable.
The what?
The wire.
Oh yeah,
Or a big rat.
it's a squirrel. So we're gonna follow him to get our prizes.
Sounds like we're gonna enter that here.
Yes, it's like we're gonna be in real big trouble. But it's good for the vlog. Oh, I'm okay. Thank you. So let's see where we end up. We're either about to get badly scammed
Yeah.
or
No, we're not going to get scammed, but possibility of it.
yeah,
Of trying to happen. They've gone through a lot of effort.
yeah,
To scam us,
yeah.
so it might be a good scam.
This is our potential scammer. We're literally following this guy on a moped. What are we doing, Matthew?
Trying to footpath. This doesn't feel legal.
This feels bad. Wrong, yeah. Illegal. I'm gonna run some people over now. This feels weird.
He was happier than us, though.
Yeah, like when we opened the envelope. Are we gonna win something? Are we gonna get scammed? Are we gonna waste our time?
I think what it is he'll take us back, he'll get his pay, we'll have to sign up for some shit with the hotel that'll fucking, I don't know, like a future booking or some shit.
Yeah.
And I'll be like, nah, fuck this. Like, anyway, so there we go. We'll crack.
All for the vlog. Today we chose to live life on the edge.
Is there anything that you don't understand?
Not really.
I don't understand any of it.
No. We have no idea what's going on. But the resort looks nice, so... Thank you. Big day?
Thank you, listen.
You're so good. Are you not staying?
No, sorry, we will look after you.
Okay.
You cannot recording this.
No free hat.
What just happened?
Got a holiday and dinner voucher and a hat.
We got 7 days accommodation in Europe. We got a free hat and a, what is that, $20 voucher for the restaurant. I'm so confused.
Yeah, it's so weird walking in. It was like it was a cult. There's like there's loads of people in there and there's like presentation. But you have to sign up to be a member. And
We were like
she's
straight away, we ain't doing that.
Yeah.
We're just here to look around and get our free.
But she was pretty
things.
sound. Like she was like, oh, I'm just gonna be transparent, like it is a sales pitch. And she's like, if you aren't interested, just like let me know and it's all good. And just like
She was lovely.
And we're like, yeah, I wouldn't be signing up for any
A
membership.
25-year travel membership.
And it might be alright, but yeah, fuck that.
This has been the weirdest afternoon ever.
Yeah. And look at my legs.
Oh, babe.
They
Ouchie.
are stinging. So,
Okay.
we go for dinner?
Yeah, let's go look where this place is. Dude, what is going on?
Feels like we're in a cult.
Some guy just stopped and was like, where were you?
How long have you been in there?
How long were you in there?
Not an hour. Because the presentation's an hour, so if you're not in there for an hour, they know you're not signing up, so then they judge you.
I don't know what's going on.
Judged.
Maybe it is a cult. It is worldwide.
Yeah.
No.
Could be. But you have to pay membership. Fuck, could be. Who knows?
Who knows?
Looks nice. We've given up on the hunt for the restaurant. We can't be arsed. Can't be arsed anymore. We're going to get the bike and go check into our hotel room. So fucking tired. It's been a big day. So we've got to ride for about half an hour now back to the hotel. Because it took us half an hour to get here. But at least I'm happy we got a picture out of it. On a holiday, I suppose. Alright, good luck. so sore. Take the hop.
Oh, yes please. We're going there tonight.
Yeah.
Starbucks.
That's so shite though.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know where we end.
Well,
Yes.
Oh yeah. You can go to your right and the parking.
okay.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Gosh, they've got security machines.
Yeah, this is so sore.
Just want to remind you in this moment that it was your decision to do this.
Not a great time. My ass hurt. I'm tired. I'm hot. Oh, I'm burnt.
Your mother's gonna kill me.
It was a long day.
Yeah. A lot of traffic. A lot of driving. She was tight in there. You alright?
Yeah,
Just
I'm
a
tired.
sweat.
Fucking hot. Tired. Been on the bike all day pretty much.
Yeah.
Well, whenever but any other company does this mental.
Yeah.
Like,
You have to concentrate a lot more.
just have to concentrate all the time. Like anyone can do anything in any minute.
Yeah. Is there security? Thank you. At least we know we're safe. Yeah.
Are we? You can just walk in here.
Oh, that's interesting.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. How cute. That's so nice. Those robes are so pretty. So nice.
So we just checked in, got free 𝐬𝐶𝐿, and I feel like we've earned this and we're gonna enjoy it. I wish we didn't fuck around with Albany now and follow them all over the town. Come stay here and enjoy it.
This is so nice. How nice. Aww. That's so sweet. Don't touch it.
It's just a free holiday as well.
I mean, we're on a roll now, we may as well.
Don't mind me, I'm in my jocks. Bought my sunburns.
Got some Margaret River wine. Matthew can't decide what wine he likes. He's getting testers.
You can try first.
Yeah, please.
You can try first.
Thank you. Yeah, I'll go with that, yeah. Thank you.
Alright, Matthew, tell us what we got.
We going?
Beef ragu. We're back.
We're back.
Back for
Sweet.
breakfast. Uh-oh, Matt's gonna do damage here. Thank you.
Oh, it's good. It's very good.
Plate number 3.
Yeah.
I think so. Not to fat shame you or anything, but you've had 4 plates of breakfast. That donut's the size of your head. Typical man. Yeah. Off camera though. Whoa.
Mad. Gotta make a ring out of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
I look like I've aged 10 years. Anyway,
That's probably the guess.
taking us to a ring making class in Bali. And she's also a safety advisor.
I have so many concerns. Gosh, looks like you haven't handled a tool in your life. Ooh! Saving the day, Matt. Those big muscles just for show.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please,
He tried the ring on and he can't get it off. We're making rings for each other, but I got tired, so Matthew's also making his own ring. A little bit. Oh, are you okay? Got bling bling.
We just finished making rings for each other.
So fun.
That was good.
I'm glad we did that.
It's a good little activity.
Yeah.
Now we have pool and food.
Yes.
I'm hungry now.
Pizza, cocktail. I
Yeah.
want to sit on the stool in the pool and order from there. What are they called?
Sodas.
No, the bar in the room.
What?
Mini bar?
the mini bar.
The mini bar. Got our drinks from the mini bar.
The room.
Now we're going down to the pool. Have a little splash.
Splash, I was taking a bath.
And the pizza.
Pizza and cocktails.
Just one cocktail. I don't want to be too cheeky. It's buy one, get one free at the minute. So.
So we'll have 4.
Yeah. At least it's not cold. This feels risky. iPhones are waterproof, aren't they?
I don't know, it's giving me so much anxiety.
Make you nervous?
Put it under and see.
Show us your ring. Pretty.
Is that thing waterproof?
Yes. Don't you worry, mister. Yeah.
So manly, isn't it?
You look so feminine.
Cheers.
Hey. Good morning.
We're going for our last breakfast of the whole day. And that's a buffet. I can't wait.
Split number 1.
One of many. Plate number 2.
This whole video is just going to be you sitting at this table.
Cheers.
Going in for plate number 3.
Have a little plate now, actually. It's cold. And then I have some waffles.
What? Doesn't make any sense.
So good.
Matt, I thought you said you were just having a little bit.
There's a little bit. Crackers. Okay, on record. What are you eating?
Naughty stuff.
Lovely.
Plate number 4. You're an animal. We're going for a massage. I think so.
The motorbike fellas here to collect the bike at the hotel, so it feels like the end. There she goes. Alright. Going 2 feet now is the only way to get around.
Cappuccino. We've got fish tacos. And we've got tiramisu.
Lovely. That's it.
This is the end.
Way home we go.
Why are you always torturing me like this? First it's a motorbike, now you want me to use the frickin' stairs?
How much fucking tiramisu, coffees, cakes? I'm eating this trip.
Are you fat shaming me?
No, I'm exercising you. You're gonna sit now for 4 hours, you may as well use your legs.
Can't believe he's using coffee and ice cream and chocolate against me.
Coffee, alright.
Oh, coffee's off the hook, is it?
Yeah.
You can't take it back, Matt. You've already
Ice cream.
said it.
I meant
No,
ice cream.
I don't want to hear a word. I'm glad you're carrying the bags. Nah. Speaking of being fat, you better fuck off and take the stairs. Ate bum bum. Should we buy tickets to the lounge and get an all-you-can-eat buffet? Or should we not do that? Dude, my hair's
The
cooked.
lounge. Lounge down.
Wait, why are we back at the beginning?
What? Are we?
And these are the last meal. Tapas. Yeah.
Cheers. Off me. Oh my god.
Dan saya Wibit adalah pimpinan awak kabin Anda. Penerbangan ini akan ditempuh selama 3 jam dan 40 menit. Silakan tegakkan
We're lucky we got a spare seat again.
lipat meja,
Look at his poor little knees.
sebulan dan membuka tutup jendela. Merokok termasuk rokok
Poor
elektrik
legs,
atau
too.
vaping adalah dilarang di dalam pesawat.
We're back. We weren't sure whether to declare our shoes or not because we hiked that volcano with them. So The best thing to do is just declare it and then find out from the staff, because you'll not get in trouble for declaring, but you will get in trouble if you don't declare.